In today's Messenger video, I'll show you how to lock your Messenger app with Face ID to ensure your chat stays secure and accessible only to you. The steps are pretty quick and easy, so let's start right away. There are two different methods of doing this, and the first method is to open the app and then tap the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of my screen. That will open my side menu, and let's now tap on this gear icon at the top in order to open our Messenger settings. Find this option that's called Privacy and Safety, and when we open this section in the app, it's going to show us these options related to Messenger. You will see this App Lock option, which is located under the Security section, so let's tap on it, and just enable the option called Require Face ID. Messenger will then scan your face with Face ID and it will lock the application. You can select a time interval down below on when you want the app to start requiring Face ID in order to unlock it. It can be right after you exit the app. You can set it to 1 minute after leaving, 15 minutes after leaving, or 1 hour after leaving. If you don't have this app lock option in Facebook Messenger, then I'm going to show you another way of locking your app with Face ID. This only works on iPhones that are running iOS 18 and newer, so if you're running an older iOS version, you'll have to get iOS 18 in order for this to work for you. I'm going to long press the application, which will then give me this falling menu. In order to lock Messenger, we will tap on this option called Require Face ID, and this will give us an option to lock our application using Face ID, as well as to hide the app from the home screen and from other people. But we'll cover that in a different video. Tap on Require Face ID, and then Messenger will be locked. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.